After learning how we can install Kali Linux as a virtual machine on our VirtualBox program, in this video I'm going to also explain how to install Kali Linux as a virtual machine, but this time using VMware Workstation program, because in my opinion it's better than VirtualBox because it's function and faster than VirtualBox. So to do that, just go to the link in the description and download the free trial version of VMware Workstation. So select Windows if you have Windows and download the installer file. Then go to Kali Linux website and select Kali Linux VMware image and select if you have 64 or 32-bit. In my case, I have 64-bit. So I have already installed all the files. So here I have my VMware Workstation installer, and I have also my Kali Linux image. So in my case, I have already installed VMware Workstation on my Windows, so I'm not gonna install it again. It's very simple and easy. Just run it and say next, 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 and everything will be okay with you. So as you can see, it's already installed on my Windows machine. So I'm gonna exit from here, and you will see this folder or this file that you have downloaded from Kali Linux website. Just right click on it and extract it. So after extracting Kali Linux, you will get this folder. Just open it and run this file that comes with VMX extension. So double click on it and virtual machine or VMware Workstation will run automatically. And here you don't have to do anything, just power the virtual machine. Let me power it again because I have already another version of Kali Linux or another copy. So I'm gonna say enter. It's very simple. We did that in the previous video. Everything will run automatically and you will be able to use Kali Linux without any issues. And now type the username, which is root, and the password is tour. And as you can see, we have successfully installed Kali Linux as a virtual machine without any issues, and you are ready to use your Kali Linux.